Hi. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace Earpads cushion and how to disassemble Sony MDR XB950AP wired headphones. This same tutorial can also be used for Sony MDR XB950BT, XB950B1 and XB950N1 wireless headphones. The existing earpad cushions are in fine condition, but I will show you how to remove them as they need to be removed to be able to disassemble these Sony MDR XB950AP headphones. The old earpads are quite easy to remove, just tear them off, take them by one edge and slowly rip them off. Of course, in my case, they have to be removed carefully. Because I'll put them back, but if you've ordered new ones, you can tear off the existing earpad cushion without mercy. There are plastic rings inside the earpads, keep these for safety, as the new replacement earpads may not have these inside and you will need to put these in new replacement pads. As I will put the old earpads back in after disassembling the headphones, I will also put the ring back in. I'll also tear off the other earpad cushion, so you can see that it's not difficult. To fit the new replacement earpads, you need to remove the old glue remains. It will take time, but it has to be done if you want to fit the new ear cushion properly. This is what a properly cleaned ear housing looks like. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all 8 screws, 4 on each side of the headphones housing. Then gently open the headphone housing. As you can see, there's nothing much inside, 2 wires and that's it. Wireless type headphones would be all full of wires in there. Putting the headphone housing back together is quite easy. Center the base port and the headphones can be put back together. Then screw all the screws back in. I didn't find new replacement earpads for MDR XB950 headphones on the internet that already have a plastic ring inside and double-sided glue on top. Such earpads are only for MDR XB650 headphones. This means that you will have to glue these pads yourself. When you put the plastic ring inside earpad, it is important that this hole is also against the earpad's hole. These holes need to be put against the headphone pin, so that the earpads don't move. I will glue the earpads cushion on with Moment Classic Universal Glue, because the glue is flexible, and the next time I have to take the earpads off, it won't be difficult. So make sure you don't use a very strong glue. Apply the glue to the headphone housing where the old glue was, and also apply the glue to the edge of the earpads. I do this with old earpads because they are still good, but if your earpads are old, damaged, then do all these steps with the new replacement earpads. The link to new pads will be in the video description. Be sure to read the glue instructions before you use the glue, because this glue needs to wait a while after you can use glue. Once this time has passed, glue the earpads together with the headphone housing. Just remember that the hole in the plastic ring must be against the headphone pin. Press the earpad in several places so that it sticks well. Then do the same for the other side of the earpad cushion. Here's the result. The earpads are now properly glued. That's it. That's how easy it is to restore your Sony headphones with new earpads. If you have any questions, feel free to write below this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons to see other useful money-saving videos. Good luck.